Got the little car. You can tell by the noise it makes. The howling. Anyways, I got a little bit of running around to do this morning. And then I'm going to install that MPPT charge controller. Put it in the garage, see what happens. So, having used this car this morning has reminded me I've got trim parts to reinstall. They're in the back because we don't have any more leaks, which is great. We don't need any more leaks. It's a big pain in the butt cleaning that out, drying the car out, but we're good now. I've got my my shopping done, so now we're gonna head home and play with that charge controller. I'm going to see what I've got for amps going through my little clampy thing. Okay. Well, it looks like it's 1 or 2. This thing isn't very accurate. Okay, so let's tear everything apart and put in our new controller. The wind's picking up outside. It's going to be a windy and nasty day. There's our controller. Simple in and out. I'm going to screw this one right to the wall there, so unscrew it first. Unscrew this one. I'm going old school. That wasn't so hard. Could have been easier, but it wasn't so hard. Okay. Pretty sure you hook up the battery first on this, but we're going to read the instructions. One of the first things it says is to wear safety glasses. So, get some really cool ones on. Yeah, that's it. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 is the positive from the battery. 2 is the negative from the battery. 3 is the positive from the solar, and so on. So, oh, this is sneaky. It's a little bit backwards here. That's okay though. Okay, we had some lights come on there. So those lights came on. That means it's the right type of battery. If it's a different color, it's a different battery. Yellow, I don't know what that means. And, well, we'll get to the other ones. It's a true test. See if that other light comes on. This is the negative from the solar. And have we got another light on? We do. Red flashing. Slowly. Okay, I can go away. It's red on solid. I don't know what that means. Ray indicator. Steady on, MPPT charging, bulk charge. Slow flashing means float charging. Single flashing means float, slow flashing is boost charging. Single flashing is float. Quick flashing is equivalence charging. double flashing is current limited charging. And if it's turned off, it's not charging. Brilliant. Yeah, here's the part of today's video when we hook up the remote meter. And I'm going to put this right beside it. Some more retro screwdriving. Go right up there. There we are. We've got our picture of a solar panel, the little lines going to the battery and the arrow, and then a little arrow to the light. Light's not part of this system, but they use the same remote meter. Now that yeah, it's charging, and oh, that's all we can ask of it. 12.4. Where's my amp meter? Okay, let's see if we're putting in any amps. Ooh, that's different. 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. That's encouraging. And I look good in these glasses, eh? Alright, I think I'll get some more of these. The Canadian Army uses these for, I think, night firing exercises. Anyways, back to this. That's charging really well. I'm quite happy with that. I do have another accessories. Let's put it on too. See what happens. Oh no. This plug end is the same plug-in as that. So it's a one or the other type of deal. Huh. I'll have to do some thinking about this. See what we're going to do. It's funny. This unit came with both of these. It didn't say anywhere in the literature about it being used one or the other. That's weird. Oh well. That's pretty cool. I brought a coffee out here, and I had intended to drink it. The thermos mug. Oh, there it is. Found it. All's good. I didn't record it yesterday, but I got a cake to celebrate the Marmot's victory. Made a card for Jasmine. Congratulations, Marmots. I drew a little groundhog on it. Oh, I'm a horrible drawer. I went to art school. Oh, she's very happy with the cake and with their win yesterday. It was fun. I had a lot of fun there. I usually don't have a lot of fun when there's a ton of children packed into a echo type chamber. But yeah, I had a lot of fun. I had some good laughs with the other parents too. So this, what I'm about to do probably goes against the right to repair thing that companies don't want us to fix things. This is a JBC wireless headphone set. Jasmine broke it the other day, and I guessed what she was doing. I said, "You were dancing around and jumping around off the couch, weren't you?" Yep. That's how it broke. It hit the ground, and now the power button doesn't detent properly, so it's pushed in. I'm gonna take it apart, fix it, because you know you can't fix these things. I say that now. We'll see in maybe the next cut or so what's happened. I've been watching some of that right to repair stuff in the States. They're having hearings about it, and the lawmakers are, and I forget which state, are trying to figure out whether they should allow it. And anyways, one of the people against it was saying that these tools are specialized and that they're all proprietary to the manufacturer of the thing. Oh, this came from the dollar store, and these are Phillips screws. Proprietary. Yeah. I've got a proprietary 3-sided screwdriver too. It's a triangle. Roomba. So let's take this apart and see what we can do. We're in. Ooh, that's much more complicated than I can handle. What are those? Okay. That is the speaker, or the microphone. Aha, I see the problem. Remember, the average mortal can't fix this. This is a power button. And I got a flashlight in my mouth. So that's the power button right there, what I was pointing to. We're going to bend it back, and hopefully it hasn't come unsoldered from the board. If it has come unsoldered, we'll have to try and fix it. Okay. First, we're going to push that button out. Okay. Now I'm just going to bend this little thing here, the switch. I'm just going to bend it back into place, because looking at this other one, it just needs, this one just, it's been pushed back a little bit too far. Let's do that. Focus. So here's the other switch. Here's the power switch. Okay. Well, let's turn it on and see what happens. So I'm not getting any lights when I hold the power button on. Oh, maybe. That wouldn't matter. Alright, well, put this back on. Again, this speaker's not connected, so I'll try it. Nope. You can see I've got my wonder scope out. I'm just going to check to see that we're getting power from the battery. Doesn't look like we're getting power from the battery. Come on, don't you. There we go. So the battery's on the opposite side here. I guess we'll take that off. Don't try this at home, kids. Remember, proprietary. Oh look, I found the tool to get the spongy part of the headphone off. Yeah, that works just perfect. So I'm hoping that the battery's dead. And the reason for that is the power button looks like it was pushed in for whatever length of time. That would kill the battery. Another battery. Oh, look at that. So, here is our battery, right there, little whatever watt. There's the plug. It's not plugged in. Let's plug that in and see if anything changes. Well, I hope that's our problem. I can see it maybe being that. I thought these cables are supposed to clip in. Put it back together. I don't know if it's going to work. We're going to go plug it in and see. We don't have any lights, so I think the battery is quite dead. We'll find out momentarily, though. Well, I just plugged that in and it's charging. Okay, I've just been in the house. Let's see what happens when we push on the power button. Is it here? Oh, look at that. Let's see what happens if we try and connect to Bluetooth. I've got to turn this off. It works. Hooray! I have fixed the little girl's thing. She will be very happy. I'll have to let it charge. Figure out how to put these silly things back on. Oh, there we go. Snap on. Imagine. They snap off. Well, all that's left is to put away these proprietary tools I got from the dollar store. And yeah, that's it. I've got to put the other fuzzy thing back on here. And we'll be in business. That's great. Well, I'm going to wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Don't be afraid to take apart your electronics. Really, how hard could it be to fix this stuff? It could be a lot harder, but this is just simple stuff. It was unplugged and then a bent button. Yeah. If you're curious about the right to repair stuff, on YouTube you can look up some, just type in right to repair, and you'll find some interesting stuff. There's a really interesting video about how farmers in the United States haven't got the right to repair their John Deere equipment because John Deere says that when you buy the tractor, you're only buying the physical tractor, you're not buying the software that drives the tractor. Well, some farmers have started hacking it. It's pretty neat to see what they've done. They're putting it out open source. Fix your 911-42 whatever tractor. Here's all your here's your codes and everything. So yeah, I don't think John Deere's happy with that, but you know, people that have to eat are.